Welcome to our channel. Today we how to connect with Wix for building your sales website, full guide step by step clearly. To connect with Wix for building your sales website, begin by visiting the Wix website. Click on the Get Started button on the home page. Create an account by entering your email address and a secure password. Alternatively, sign up using your Google or Facebook account for faster access. Once logged in, choose the option to create a new site. Select your website type by choosing Online Store from the list of options. Wix will then ask you a few questions to customize your experience. Answer the questions based on your business needs and preferences. Next, you'll be prompted to select a template for your online store. Browse through the available options and select a design that resonates with your brand. After selecting a template, click on Edit Site to open the website editor. Familiarize yourself with the dashboard, where you can access various design tools. Use the drag and drop feature to arrange elements according to your vision. Add essential pages such as Home, Shop, About Us, and Contact. To add products, navigate to the Store menu on the left side of the editor. Click on Add New Product and fill in the details like title, price, and images. Make sure to write compelling product descriptions to attract customers. Set up payment options by going to the Settings menu. Choose from several payment methods, ensuring a seamless checkout experience. Test your website for user-friendliness and functionality before launching. Preview your site using the Preview button in the top right corner. If all looks good, click on the Publish button to make your site live. Share your new website link across your social media and marketing channels. Monitor your website's performance through Wix Analytics tools. Continue to update and optimize your site based on customer feedback and performance data. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.